Hello there, how are you today? I have a story for you that involves some math problems. See if you can solve them. You need a pen and paper to solve these problems, so make sure you have them. Marcia, Ahmed, and Ningning went off to the market to buy things for their projects. Marcia needed to buy 2 kilos of tomatoes for the dish she was cooking. Ahmed needed to buy 3.6 meters of cloth for his project. And Ningning needed to order 14 dozen eggs for her mother who was making leche flans for the town fiesta. They went to the fruit and vegetable stand first for Marcia's tomatoes. Marcia saw that a kilo of tomatoes costs 8 pesos and 50 centavos. Here's my question. How much did it cost Marcia to buy 2 kilos of tomatoes? Let me do this first. You get the next one, okay? We know that each kilo of tomatoes is 8 pesos and 50 centavos, and Marcia needed 2 kilos. Now, let's multiply these numbers. What about the decimal point? We simply count the number of decimal places in the factors and we move the decimal point the same number of decimal places to the left in the product. Let's count the number of decimal places in the factors. For the multiplicand, we have 2 decimal places and 0 decimal place for the multiplier. The total number of decimal places is 2. So, we simply move the decimal point 2 places to the left of the product. So, we place the decimal point between 7 and 0. Therefore, it will cost Marcia 17 pesos to buy 2 kilos of tomatoes. Easy? Now, let's continue with the story. Next, the 3 friends went to the fabric store. The storekeeper showed different types and designs of cloth for Ahmed to choose from. He picked the blue one. The storekeeper said the blue cloth would cost him 9 pesos and 95 centavos per meter. Ahmed needed to buy 3 6/10 meters. Do you know how much it cost Ahmed to buy the cloth he needed? Now, it's your turn. See if you can solve this one. Got it? Let's check your answer. We know that Ahmed needed 3 6/10 meters of cloth. The cloth that he chose cost 9 pesos and 95 centavos. The question is, how much is the total cost of the cloth? Like Marcia's tomatoes, we simply multiply the two numbers, 9 and 95 hundredths times 3 6/10. So it will cost Ahmed 35 pesos and 82 centavos for the cloth. Did you get it? Let's get on with the story and the last question. The 3 friends went to the egg vendor. Ningning told the vendor that her mother wanted 14 dozens of eggs for the fiesta. The egg vendor knew that Ningning's mother is head of the food committee for the town fiesta. So, he gave Ningning a discount for the eggs. He gave her a price of 26 pesos and 50 centavos per dozen. How much is the total cost for the eggs? Finished? See if you got it right. The answer is 371 pesos. We multiplied the cost of the eggs, which is 26 pesos and 50 centavos per dozen, with the number Ningning needed, which is 14 dozens. So 26 and 50 hundredths times 14 is 371. Always be careful when solving this kind of mathematical problems, especially when a decimal number is involved. And remember, always practice. That's all for now. Bye.